10 ನಿಮಿಷದ ಶಾರ್ಪ್ 10. Okay, ma. Going in. We need to go to theory mode. Listen, we have been talking about secondary storage units. Secondary storage units. Normally, we have two types of memory. One is called the RAM, random access memory, which is volatile. And the other volatile means the data will be gone when you power off the computer. Whereas there is another type of memory which is called ROM, read only memory. You write it once, you cannot modify. You write it once, you cannot modify it easily. CMOS is one such CMOS, not CMOS, BIOS. BIOS is a ROM. BIOS is a ROM because listen, it contains several software drivers written by the company, particular company which makes the chipset or the board. Okay, there are three types of ROM. The first one is PROM. PROM for programmable read-only memory. PROM for programmable read-only memory. Okay, this can be programmed, but only once. Once you write the program, you cannot change it. It's called the PROM. PROM. Whereas nowadays we don't use PROM, we have advanced. The second one is EPROM. EPROM. EPROM stands for erasable programmable read-only memory. Erasable programmable read-only memory. This memory can be erased when exposed to ultraviolet radiation. When this chip is exposed to ultraviolet rays, the memory will be erased. You can write something else, EPROM. Then the third one, this is the normal ROM we use in our computers, EEPROM. You need not go in for ultraviolet radiation to erase the memory. You can use particular voltage and current for erasing the memory. EEPROM stands for electronically erasable programmable read-only memory. Electronically erasable programmable read-only memory. Can you repeat? Electronically erasable programmable read-only memory. Okay, there are three types of ROM. The first one is PROM, the other one is EPROM, the third one is EEPROM. PROM stands for programmable read-only memory. EPROM stands for erasable programmable read-only memory. EEPROM stands for electronically erasable programmable read-only memory. Electronically erasable programmable read-only memory. Okay. That is, we have a bit of information. What is a bit? A bit of information. Bit. Okay. Listen. Computer storage is measured in terms of bytes, whereas bit. What is a bit? Normally, boss engira Bhaskaran carries 36 bits. Bit is one piece of information. One piece of information which can be either 0 or 1 in a computer. A computer can store either 0 or 1 in a bit. Bit, the full form of bit is binary digit. Full form for bit is binary digit. Binary digit. Binary means base 2. Binary means number with base 2, 0 or 1. Okay, binary digit. Bit stands for binary digit. Each bit can store either 0 or 1. Either 0 or 1. Whereas each bit cannot be used individually. It's too small. Therefore, we have to combine some bits together and create newer versions of our memory. When bit is combined into larger versions, we name them in several ways. The first one is nibble. First one is nibble. Okay, when your what is it? When your father brings some fruit, what would you do? How would you bite it? Nibble. Nibble at the nibble means it's not full bite. When you bite it with force, it's full bite. Whereas you cannot bite the entire fruit. You would nibble. You would nibble கொறிக்கிறது. ஓகேவா? அரைக்கடி சொல்றோம்ல, அரைக்கடி தான் உன்னால முடியும். என்ன அவ்வளவு பெருசு இல்ல. Therefore, 4 beads combined together make a nibble. Make a nibble. அரைக்கடி அப்படி சொல்றாங்க. ஓகேவா? 4 bites combined together make a nibble. 8 bites, 8 bits, 8 bits combined together will make 1 bite. Bite means முழுக்கடி. ஓகேவா? அரைக்கடி, முழுக்கடி. Nibble means half. ஓகேவா? Nibble means half a bite. And bite means you make a full bite. Okay, you make a full bite. 8 bits are combined into 1 bite. Then, what is the smallest unit for memory? Bit. Nibble. What is the name for 4 bits of memory? Nibble. What is the name for 8 bits of memory? Bite. Then, bit, nibble, bite. Bit, nibble, bite. Can you repeat? Bit, nibble, bite. Okay. Bit, nibble, bite. Okay. After coming to bite, we move on to larger combinations. 1028 bytes will create 1 kilobyte. 1028 kilobytes will create 1 megabyte. 1028 megabytes will create 1 what? 1 gigabyte. 1028 gigabytes will create 1 list. There is a list. 1024. Sorry. 1024 gigabytes will create 1 terabyte. 1024 terabytes will create 1 exabyte, petabyte, exabyte. Then 1024 petabytes will create 1 exabyte. Exabyte is the last unit. Exabyte is the last unit. We combine 1024, not 1028. I have mistakenly said it as 1028, 1024, 1024. Normally 1 kilogram of sugar. How many grams? 1 kilogram. 1000 grams, correct. 1000 grams. Here also 1024 is nearest to 1000. 1024 is nearest to 1000. Therefore, we combine 1024 bytes and call it kilobyte. 1024 kilobytes and call it megabyte. 1024 megabytes and call it gigabyte. 1024 gigabytes and call it then 1024 terabytes we call it petabyte. Petabyte. Then 1024 petabytes we combine them into exabytes. Okay, then there are 3 basic units: bit, nibble, byte. Bit, nibble, byte. Then we come on to the larger units: kilobyte, megabyte, gigabyte, terabyte, petabyte, exabyte. Can you repeat? Kilobyte, megabyte, gigabyte, terabyte, petabyte, exabyte. Repeat again. Kilobyte, megabyte, gigabyte, terabyte, petabyte, exabyte. Okay. Okay. With these units, we will stop the class today. What are the units we have seen? Bit, nibble, byte, kilobyte, megabyte, gigabyte, terabyte, petabyte, exabyte. With this, we close the class. You have to remember these units very well. And we will repeat. We will repeat in the next class because it takes a bit of time to get accustomed to this.